Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to change your screen timeout on Windows 11. So this will be applicable to laptops and desktops. Okay, so what you can do is go into your search thing right here, or you can just click on the startup button and you can type in edit power, edit power plan. Okay, so just click on that and that should bring up to this screen where it says turn off display with a drop down bar. So you can set up your time to 25 minutes, so after 25 minutes then your display will turn off, or you can just set it to never. So after a couple million years you come back, assuming you have your laptop or desktop plugged in, the display will never turn off. So just click on save changes and close this and you're done. So now your display will never turn off, or you can just set it to a different time, maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, and yeah, basically that's how to change your screen timeout on Windows 11. So that's all for this video guys, and yeah, thanks for watching peeps.